This is why nothing changes. You spend first, you perform first, you impress first, and then you hope there is something left for your future. There usually isn't. That is the identity trap. The audience gets the best of your money. Your future gets whatever survives. A better outfit, a better car, a better upgrade, a better version of you for people who are not paying your bills. And the investment, it gets scraps. That is why you can earn more and still build nothing. Because wealth is not destroyed by one impulsive decision. It is destroyed by the order, performance first, future last. That order keeps people broke for years. So stop telling yourself you'll invest when there's more left. There is never more left when the image always comes first. Reverse it. Invest first, build first. Let the image starve. Follow and subscribe for more. And watch out for the next video coming out soon. Case File 2, which includes 3 free tools to help you in your journey to a brighter future. See you in the next video.